Hello, Collin College students. A generous grant at the college has provided all Collin College students with a free premium Grammarly account. Grammarly is an application that helps users compose bold, clear, mistake-free writing, and it's free to those Collin College students. To access Grammarly, students must first log in to Cougar Web. Here we are at the Collin College homepage. Click the Cougar Web link in the top right-hand corner. Use your username and password to access Cougar Web. Once logged into Cougar Web, look for the Collin College OneLogin link in the middle of the screen. The OneLogin provides users with access to applications such as Grammarly, Office 365, and other applications. If you do not have Grammarly already loaded into your Collin College OneLogin, click the Browse App Store. Here you will see a list of the different applications and extensions that could be added to your OneLogin. To begin using the Grammarly application, click the Grammarly extension button here in OneLogin. What you'll see is the Grammarly home screen. If you click the New Document button, you will be able to either copy and paste your work into the Grammarly program, or you can upload a document if you have your work saved to a computer or a flash drive. To preview the Grammarly features, I'm going to use Grammarly's demo document. I'm going to copy and paste my work into the program. When you paste your work into Grammarly, you'll see a few goals that come up. The goals provide different categories that allow Grammarly to provide specific feedback based on the writing and the audience. If you're writing for a college level class, most likely your audience is going to be knowledgeable or expert. In all academic classes, unless your instructor has informed you otherwise, your writing should be neutral or formal. For this example, I'm going to put the feature on formal. Here in our domain, if you're writing for a college level class, you most likely want to click on the academic link. If you're writing for the workplace or a cover letter, you might use the business link. Let's see how Grammarly does checking the demo document. Here we have an image of our work and the comments provided by Grammarly. On the right side of the screen, you'll find different categories such as correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. If you click on one of the categories, you'll be able to focus specifically on that feedback. Coming back over to our document, you can walk yourself through it by just clicking on the underlined or the highlighted text and looking to the right to find Grammarly's feedback. Notice here that Grammarly picked up on a spelling effect versus affect. The great thing about Grammarly is you were provided an explanation directly underneath the error. For example, here we have a comma error and we have an explanation. It appears that you have an unnecessary comma in a compound object. Consider removing it. But let's say you don't know what a compound object is and you're not exactly sure why the comma was used or not used. You can click the Learn More button and you're given an incorrect versus a correct example and an explanation. Also, take note how Grammarly uses color coding in order to align the categories on the right-hand side of the screen with your writing on the left. So, if I've received feedback from my instructor that my writing lacks clarity and needs more specificity, I can click on the clarity category and review that specific feedback from Grammarly. This is a great feature. To get back to your original document at the top, click Back to All Alerts. When you've finished reviewing all the feedback from Grammarly and you're ready to submit your work to an instructor or upload into Canvas, you can come up here to the menu link in the top left-hand corner. You can click the menu link and you can download your file as a Word document. You can save your file to a computer and upload it to your instructor or send as an attachment. I hope this Grammarly tutorial has helped. If you have any trouble accessing the Grammarly application through OneLogin, please contact the Collin College Help Desk at 972-377-1777 or email the help desk at helpdesk@collin.edu.